Amadika barrek yabut. 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 Agiyara. Arubia. Ibarna. Ida. Abarwa. Yabut.
Using animal entrails, the Turkana community is able to forecast when the rainfall season begins and when it ends, and how it will be during the season.
As you can see around me here, you can see these old wazeze, the local forecaster. We normally call them in Turkana language, the Emrons. So they look at the Ida signs, then they see what is the future.
The elders tell us that the rainfall will be depressed, and therefore they are putting in place coping mechanisms to ensure that the community is able to find pasture and water for their animals. I'm Judith Akolo in Lokichar, Turkana County.